Hey guys, I'm back with another tutorial, and for this one I'm going to show you how to make a game of Pong. Now, due to the fact that I'm recording at the same time as doing something graphically intense, I kind of have to open it up from the executable, and there might be a little bit of lag, but yeah, as you can see there's a ball on the screen. So yeah, let's get into the code and what exactly it does. So we got a bitmap here. And that is the surface we draw it to before drawing to the screen, so it's a little bit smoother. Graphics is for the bitmap graphics, and this is for the screen graphics. Got a thread, so it will run independently of the window thread. And then got a ball, left side, right side. Those are for the paddles, since it's basically ping pong. Ball speed, speed Y, move speed. These are all separate because we use them later individually. Got a point to move the ball to, or that's this one. This is where we move the paddle to. This determines whether it's drawing or not, so we can exit out of the thread, this thing here. And then we got a bitmap, of course, that's a window width and height, and then we assign this to from image BMT, and then or BTM. Then screen graphics, of course, are create graphics from the form. We assign our rectangles. As you notice, this one's kind of in the middle with a 40 width, 40 height. These are on each side. We start our thread up and then just do a try to catch all errors so I don't have to worry about it for the tutorial. Then we go ahead and clear it. And if you notice, we use move speed here and later. Actually, I think move speed stays the same. But ball speed we affect by multiplying equals. So I suppose I could have left the other same, but at least they're separate so that if we wanted to change up the parameters, we could fairly easily. This, of course, right here is checking to see. So you can see we got a move to thing, which is for the paddle, and then that's assigned by the mouse location here. And then we want to make sure that you know, if your mouse moves, it moves with it, but we don't want it to be exact. You know, we need to limit it by speed. That way it's not locked onto your mouse. We do this similar thing with ball. But this is for, well, I mean, I guess technically, yeah. This is only for the Y values. Oops, don't know what I did there. And then the X value always moves, of course. So yeah. And then this is over here is for the ball speed of Y. So this is trying to figure out which to go to. And I guess technically this is not for the ball. This is for the left paddle, as you can see here. So this is for the ball, that's for the left paddle, my mistake. And then we check for collisions. So if the right side rectangle intersects with the ball rectangle, we swap the directions it goes. Same for the other side. This is for checking to see if it's at the top of the screen. If so, we change the ball move to the bottom of the screen, that way it moves down, and for this one we make it so it moves up. And then of course the same for each side, except a little bit different, because if it goes off the edge then we want to set it back to the middle of the screen. We draw all the rectangles, and we finally draw it to the screen. So yeah, that's how you make a Pong game, and I'll go ahead and go over this code, just scroll through it so you guys can pause if you want and copy it down. So yeah, that way just pause at your leisure whenever you see the code you need to copy. And that pretty much wraps it up. Only other thing I can say is this is not important. This for mouse click, that's just something I did for testing. And if you want to know how to make events, you select this form 1 and you go to properties and see this little event thing here. You can either have properties or events, and then you double click one of those. So yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about the tutorial.